and every day almost we'll be doing some questions of some chapter, but I'll not tell you which chapter questions I'm going to ask you. So you have to be ready with all questions from all the chapters, beta, है ना? Straight away I'll start from that chapter asking some questions, and then I'll teach you from the current chapter. So today I'll ask you some questions from chapter number 6, and then I'll introduce chapter number 7. So as we know, we have this custom, very nice custom, है ना, to invoke God. So let us close our eyes and ready for chanting Omkaram 3 times. Sai Ram. So today I have requested Akshat. है ना बेटा? Akshat will guide me. Akshat will be the moderator today. So he will be answering my questions. And
Sir, may I?
Akshat, I have asked Akshat beta in the beginning. Okay, right? So we can change. है ना? Every day we can change. You can offer yourself, and we'll be doing like that. So Akshat will be doing that. And whenever I ask multiple choice questions, particularly, let Akshat speak. है ना? If that will be the answer of all of you. Okay, beta. So that doesn't matter. And then I'll tell you the right answer. And I'll show you also on the screen. So let me present my screen. Okay. So first of all, be ready for the questions from chapter number 6. So first multiple choice questions beta, है ना? Multiple choice questions. Okay, what can you see? Akshat?
Sir, loading your content आ रहा है.
Okay, loading your content.
Sir,
Multiple choice
I can see one question has come, right? Let me make it in the center, right? When an object is cooled, its size, tell me, increases, decreases, remains same, none of the above.
sir,
Ask Akshat को बोलने तो पहले, है ना?
Sir, remain same.
तो बेटा, when an object is cooled,
decreases.
decreases, चलो decreases, है ना? Decreases. Let me select decreases, है ना? Decreases selected, and let us go ahead. So what will happen? Let us see. See, what got? Arush?
Sir, decreases.
Sir, decreases.
It was the right answer, it means, है ना? ये green arrow, है ना? Arrow no, green tick mark. That means
Tick
your
mark.
answer was correct. Your
Yes,
answer was
sir.
correct. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Good. Next question. Next question. Okay. Enjoying?
Yes, sir. Very.
अच्छा लग रहा है?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Very.
sir.
Good. Next question. Next
Sir,
question.
very
Next question.
interesting.
When an object is heated, its size
Sir,
see,
increases.
Increases.
increases. Okay.
Increases.
Option number 1. Very good. Very good, beta.
Option A.
Option A.
Sir, option
Let's
1.
go ahead. Yeah. Good. It was also
Sir,
correct.
this is right answer.
Okay. Next question. Which of the following is a reversible chain? Let me read the option also. And then say the answer. Which of the following is a reversible chain? Evaporation of water, ripening of fruits, bud to flower, milk to curd.
Sir,
Reversible
Sir,
chain.
evaporation of water.
Evaporation of water.
Evaporation
Very
of
good.
water.
Evaporation of water.
Sir, option
evaporation of water.
Okay,
Sir,
good.
option A.
Good, beta. Option number A. Yes, it
Sir,
was
is
also
right,
correct.
sir.
Very good. Next question. Which of the following change will show expansion? Burning of paper, heating of sand, heating of iron, heating of wood.
Heating of iron. Sir, heating of iron.
Sir, heating of iron.
Heating of iron.
Heating of iron selected, right? Yes, it also correct.
Sir, this is answer is
Very
right.
good, very good. Very good. Next. Melting of ice is a Reversible chain,
Reversible
irreversible chain, chemical chain, none of the above.
change.
Reversible,
Reversible
good. Reversible chain. Yes, it was also
The
correct.
answer is right.
Okay.
Sir, answer is
Next,
correct.
you got 5 out of 5.
Yeah.
Okay, beta. So score was 5 out of 5. Good.
Yes.
Well done.
सर
Now
और
be
हमने
ready with your
2
pen,
minute 58 seconds में करा.
pen and pencil. Be ready with your pen and pencil, beta. Right? कॉपी और पेन लेके तैयार हो जाओ. ठीक है?
Sir ready.
Yeah, ready. Okay, good. So for now we'll have short answer type questions. So you will have to write down and a very short answer type questions which you have to answer in one word or one sentence. Okay, beta?
Sir, in classwork copy.
Yes, class or copy. देखो बेटा, for science we have only one notebook. That is, in that you will write down the notes and then question answer of the size. Right now you can do in any rough notebook. है ना बेटा? That notebook you can write down.
सर जो एमसीक्यू है वो उसमें साइंस की कॉपी में करना
No,
है.
no, MCQ not beta. VSA these you may do. VSA is short answer, long answer. Such questions will be asked in your examinations also. Half yearly, annual,
Yes, sir.
or periodic like that. So ready for very short answer type questions from chapter number 6. So you be ready. First, you will write down your answer. If I ask your name, you will read the answer. Then I'll show you the answer also. Okay. So let us go ahead for that. Very short answer type questions. Okay. It is loading. Can you see it? Yes, beta.
Yes,
Yes sir.
The question is, what kind of change takes place when milk changes to curd? Write down the
सर
answer.
क्वेश्चन लिखना है.
हाँ, आंसर लिखना है. कॉपी में लिखो आंसर. Only answer.
सिर्फ आंसर.
हाँ, only answer. Later on, when I'll send you the video, you can write the questions also from that. अच्छा, you can see very well in your set बेटा. मोबाइल में अच्छे दिख रहा है ना?
Yes sir.
Yes
आसानी नहीं
sir.
देखने में नहीं है ना? Good.
नहीं सर अच्छे से.
What kind of change takes place when milk changes to curd? Written the answer?
Yes sir.
Okay. So, Arus, what is the answer?
सर फिजिकल चेंज.
Physical change. Anybody else? Other answer?
Sir, my answer is physical change.
सर केमिकल चेंज.
Chemical change. देखो बेटा,
Sir,
milk
chemical
changing into
change.
curd. New
Sir, chemical
substance is
change.
formed. अच्छा ठीक है, physical chemical तो हो गया. और what about reversible and irreversible?
Sir, irreversible. Sir,
Irreversible.
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 Now see the answer, beta. See the answer. Irreversible change takes place. Okay. Next question. What kind of change is melting of wax?
Sir, chemical.
सर फिजिकल चेंज. सर फिजिकल.
Sir, physical
फिजिकल
change.
चेंज.
No new
Sir,
substance is
physical
formed. Only wax will change from solid to liquid हो जाएगा. अभी wax solid है, melting मतलब you are giving some heat and it is changing from solid to liquid state and no new substance is formed. Chemical change will take place when something new substance is formed. है ना बेटा? And we cannot get back the previous form of matter. अच्छा, that is own place, physical chemical. Now classify as reversible or irreversible.
Sir, reversible.
रिवर्सिबल. सर
Reversible. Now check the answer.
Rever-
Check your answer. It's a reversible change. Okay. Shall we go ahead? Next question.
सर क्योंकि हम उसे वापस उसी शेप में ला सकते हैं.
हाँ, yes बेटा. Good. Next question देखो. Is burning of a candle a reversible or irreversible change?
सर इरिवर्सिबल.
Sir, irreversible.
Irreversible. Irreversible.
Because
Because we
when
don't
candle is
get.
burned, gases are coming out, carbon dioxide gas, water vapor, heat is been given, and we cannot get back the candle once again.
Same kind of thing.
So
Kind of.
your answer is correct. Burning of candle is an irreversible change. Sorry. Next question. Is inflating a balloon a reversible change?
Sir,
Yes,
what is
sir.
the meaning of inflating?
Inflating means balloon को लिया और मुंह में लगाया और हवा भरना शुरू किया. That is
Yes, sir.
inflating.
Sir,
Yes,
reversible
sir.
change.
Sir,
है.
reversible change.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, मतलब आंसर will be
Sir,
yes or
हम
no.
उसके हवा खाली करके वापस भर सकते हैं.
Yes, बेटा.
Reversible.
Answer will be yes or
And
no.
Sir, answer is yes.
Yes, sir.
Sir, answer is
Yes or
yes.
no. Yes.
Sir, yes, lock किया जाए.
Yes, sir.
Yes, inflating a balloon is a reversible change. Good. Next question. A mirror falls down and breaks. Can this change be reversed?
No, sir.
No,
sir.
sir. No,
No.
sir. It is
Can
reversible.
lock किया जाए.
No.
Sir, irreversible change.
Okay, good.
Sir,
No.
please lock.
This
No.
change cannot be reversed. And learn also how to write the answer, beta. That's why I am also showing you the solution. Answer, how to write the answer, ये भी सीखते जाना आप लोग, है ना बेटा? Good. Next question. Okay, completed. Yes, they have completed. It means you have understood the concepts well, and it also helped me to teach my class. Okay.
In
So
4 minutes,
Sir,
11
हमने
seconds.
4 minute 11 seconds में ये किया है.
yeah.
Yes, sir.
Timing also given. Good.
Sir, यहाँ पर time लिखा आ रहा है.
Okay. Next, beta, short answer type question. Okay. So you will have to write down 1 or 2 sentences. Right? Ready?
Okay, sir, ready.
Yeah. You may
Okay, sir,
note down the
ready.
question because this question will help you to answer your questions in periodic test as well as in your half yearly and annual. है ना बेटा? So let us see short answer type questions. Short answer type questions from this chapter. Yeah. Question number 1. Note down. Define irreversible change. Note down
Sir, can
and
I?
write down the answer in your notebook. कॉपी में लिखो
can
सभी
I?
लोग, ऑल ऑफ यू बेटा. मैं वापस आऊं, कौन नहीं कर रहा है, क्या कर रहा है, मैं देखने के लिए क्या?
Sir, लिख लिया.
ओके.
Yes, sir. लिख लिया.
Sir, can I say the answer?
Sir, can I say?
एक मिनट बेटा, एक
Sir,
मिनट.
can I say?
Sir, can I say?
हाँ, वन ऑफ यू. अक्षत बोला था क्या? अक्षत.
Sir, can I?
Sir, I written.
Gaurik Mishra.
Reverse is called irreversible change.
Sir,
Sir, irreversible change
Sir, a
are
change
things that
cannot
cannot be reversed. Example,
Sir,
burning of incense stick.
Okay. So, see the answer now. It is a type of change where the object undergoing the change cannot be brought back to its original form. है ना बेटा? है ना? We cannot get back the original form of the substance. Right?
Yes, sir.
Good. So, shall we go to the next question? Next question is define reversible change. Write down the answer in a very systematic way.
Sir, लिख लिया. Sir, can I say? Gaurik Mishra.
Yes, beta.
Reversible changes are those in which substances regain their original form. Example, water to ice and ice to water.
Regain. 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 Gaining again. है ना?
Regain.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
See the answer. It is a type of change where the object undergoing the change can be brought back to its original form. है ना बेटा? जो ओरिजिनल फॉर्म है ऑब्जेक्ट का, दैट कैन बी ब्रॉट बैक. वो आ सकता है, वापस आ सकता है. ओके, लेट अस गो टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. व्हाट इज कॉन्ट्रैक्शन? राइट डाउन. व्हाट इज कॉन्ट्रैक्शन? What is contraction? Yes. Read करो बेटा. अक्षत. Anybody else? Done?
Sir, can I?
Yes, beta.
Can I?
Yes, Harus.
Sir, the process in which object is cooled down to get its original form, sir, to get its original shape is called contraction.
Not very perfect, but see the answer. Note down.
Sir, can
All
I?
of you note down. When an object is cooled, its size contracts or becomes smaller. Write down this one. When an object is cooled, it becomes smaller in size. This process is called contraction. When an object is cooled, its size becomes smaller. This process is called contraction. Okay, beta? Note down.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Noted.
Okay, good. Shall we go ahead?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. Next question. What is expansion? Now you can write down easily on the same pattern. This time cooled or heated?
Sir, heated.
Heated. Very good.
Sir, return.
Heated.
Sir, written.
Okay. Read further.
Sir, when
When
the
I-
object
when-
is heated, it becomes bigger in size. It's called expansion.
Expansion.
Yes, correct. Very good. You may match your answer. When an object is heated, it expands, or you can say it increases in size. When an object is heated, it increases in size. This process is called expansion. Right?
सर अगर हम
Yes,
इस टेस्ट
sir.
में अपना जो मैंने बोला है वो लिख के आते हैं तो भी सही होगा.
Yes. That is also, you will get full marks for that also, beta.
सर बस मीनिंग करेक्ट होना चाहिए
Yeah.
ना.
Meaning should be
Okay,
correct,
sir.
right? That is called answering in our own words, and that is good, beta. है ना? This will give you what is the right answer. But how to write the right answer, the way, the words, it depends on you. It should not be wrong, but correct होना चाहिए, beta. Okay. Next question.
Yes, sir.
Is burning of incense stick a reversible change?
No, sir.
नो सर.
नो सर.
अगरबत्ती इज कॉल्ड
Sir,
इंसेंस स्टिक,
irreversible
है ना?
change.
इट इज कॉल्ड, अगरबत्ती को बोलते हैं इंसेंस स्टिक. ओके,
Sir,
करेक्ट.
irreversible change.
Yeah. Burning of incense stick is an irreversible change, as on burning sorry, new substance as is formed along with smoke. है ना? It was not very short answer, it was short answer. So you have to give reason also why it is not reversible or irreversible change. You will have
Okay,
to give the
sir.
reason. The reason is what? New substance as and smoke are formed. That's why
Yes, sir.
it is an irreversible change.
Irreversible change.
Okay. Next question. Okay, done.
सर लॉन्ग टाइप आंसर
Yeah.
क्वेश्चंस आएंगे ना.
Put down.
यस सर,
है
अब
ना?
लॉन्ग टाइप आएंगे.
Today.
सर उसमें ये क्यों हुआ और ऐसे क्यों हुआ ऐसे
हाँ.
वाला बताना है ना.
Long answer type, you will take more time to write down the answer, beta. So you will note down the questions, you will write down the answer in the next class, and I'll ask you to read your answer, and any one of you.
Sir, अपन को 7 minutes 18 seconds लगे.
Yeah, good, beta. So let us go for, you will note down the question of that, right? Long answer type questions.
Okay, sir.
Long answer type questions. So note down the question number 1. All of you note down. Next, in the next class, I'll ask your name to, and
Sir,
I'll ask
written.
your question at least. Are all irreversible changes undesirable? Explain with example. See, undesirable, desirable. The change which we want, that is desirable change, and the change which we do not want is called undesirable. Now see, fire is there. Fire is used to cook food. It is desirable or undesirable?
Sir,
Sir,
desirable.
desirable.
Sir, desirable.
हाँ, लेकिन वही आग, if fire is set and fire is used to burn my home, then desirable or undesirable?
Sir, undesirable.
Undesirable.
Sir, undesirable.
हाँ, कहते हैं ना, फायर इज अ गुड सर्वेंट बट अ वेरी बैड मास्टर. फायर जो होता है ना बेटा, उसको अपना सर्वेंट बना के रखो तो बहुत अच्छी सेवा करेगा आपकी. खाना बना के देगा, चाय बना के देगा,
Yes, sir.
है ना, सब कुछ कर देगा. मगर अगर आपने उसको मास्टर बना दिया तो क्या करेगा वो?
Sir,
सर अपन को ही जला देगा.
sir, अपन को,
it can
sir,
use-
अपने
अपन
घर
को
को
मार-
जला देगा.
हाँ, तो ऐसे बहुत सारे चेंजेस हैं
सर, वो अपना
which
सब
we
बर्बाद कर
like
देगा.
and which we do not like. So remember, okay, next question, note down. Electric wires sag a little during summers and appear tight during winters. Why? Note down first. And if you do not understand the question, then ask me.
सर वायर सैग क्या होता है?
हाँ, सैग का मतलब होता है, जैसे मान लो, सोचना, ध्यान से सुनना. मान लो आप दो फ्रेंड, सपोज कर लो अक्षत और आरुष, दोनों को मैंने एक रोप दे दिया, रस्सी दे दी, और दोनों ने रस्सी को टाइट पकड़ा हुआ है. अब आप में से कोई एक थोड़ा सा ढील दे दो, लूज कर दो, तो क्या होगा? बीच में कर्व बन
सर
जाएगा.
जो आरुष, सर जो दूसरा वाला होगा, सर जिसने ढील दी है,
हाँ,
सर वो उसका जो दूसरा वाला होगा, सर वो थोड़ा पीछे चले जाएगा.
हाँ, इस सैग बोलते हैं. नहीं, थोड़ा आगे आ जाओगे तो क्या होगा? बीच में कर्व बन जाएगा, रस्सी में से कर्व बन जाएगी, है ना?
Yes, sir.
झूल
Yes,
जाना,
sir.
मतलब ढीला हो जाना, है ना? रस्सी पूरी टाइट थी, जैसे थोड़ा लूज करेंगे क्या होगा? बीच में लूज हो जाएगा. दैट इज कॉल्ड सैग. इलेक्ट्रिक वायर्स आपने देखा होगा, पोल पे जो इलेक्ट्रिक वायर्स लगे होते हैं तो समर सीजन में झूल जाते हैं, लूज हो जाता है बेटा, ढीला पड़ जाता है,
Yes,
ऐसे
sir.
बीच में कर्व बन जाता है.
Yes,
देखना,
sir, मैंने देखा है.
और फिर जब समय विंटर आता है तो बिल्कुल टाइट हो जाता है.
Yes, sir.
यस सर.
और इस बात
सर
का
और
ध्यान
गर्मी से सर वो जो सर और जो बॉडी रहती है, सर वो अगर बहुत ज्यादा ठंड में रखी जाए, सर तो वो बहुत मुश्किल से हिलती है सर. लेकिन अगर वो हीट में रखी जाए तो सर वो बहुत ही ज्यादा आराम से उठ जाती है सर. उसका कोई सा पार्ट हिलाना.
yeah, that is expansion and contraction basis of that expansion and contraction is there बेटा, है ना? और ऐसे
Yes,
when we are laying the wire, अगर हम इलेक्ट्रिक वायर डाल रहे हैं पोल के ऊपर तो इस बात का ध्यान रखते हैं कि विंटर है या समर सीजन है. अगर समर सीजन है तो हमें लूज डालना होगा वायर के, टाइट डालेंगे. और अगर विंटर सीजन है तो लूज रखेंगे या टाइट रखेंगे वायर को दो पोल के बीच में.
सर, क्वेश्चन 1 एक
सर
बार
हमेशा
दिखाना.
लूज रखना चाहिए.
हमेशा नहीं रखेंगे ना. देखो, अगर समर में आपने लूज रखा तो विंटर में वो टाइट हो सकता है ना?
सर,
लेकिन अगर आपने समर में ही टाइट कर दिया तो विंटर आने पर क्या होगा? और
सर वो टूट ही जाएगा.
टूट जाएगा फिर. तो ध्यान रखना है बेटा. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन.
सर विंटर में हमेशा टाइट रखना चाहिए.
सर क्वेश्चन 1 दिखाना.
सर वरना अगर हमने विंटर में लूज रख दिया
तो-
सर तो जो वायर है ना सर वो है ना
टच
पूरा गर्मियों में पूरा नीचे ही लटक जाएगा.
हाँ, और टच भी कर सकते हैं. इट मे पॉसिबल, दो वायर जो टच करेंगे तो फिर इट विल कॉज शॉर्ट सर्किट, है ना बेटा?
यस सर.
यस सर. एक्सीडेंट के चांसेस भी बढ़ सकते हैं.
Yes, good. Describe a change that happens due to heating, but it is reversible. Note down. Describe a change that happens due to heating, but it is reversible?
Sir, expansion.
Yeah, you have to describe it. You have to write down.
सर मेरे को फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखना है.
First question.
यस सर.
I'll show you later on. First question means, let me go back. This was the first question. Are all irreversible changes undesirable? Explain with example.
सर लिख लिया.
Okay, good. So right now, describe a change that happens due to heating, but it is reversible. Okay, next question. How does a blacksmith change a piece of iron into a tool? Note down.
सर व्हाट इज मीनिंग ऑफ ब्लैक स्मिथ?
Blacksmith, a person, it's an occupation. लोहार को बोलते हैं. लोहार जो लोहे का काम करता है, लोहे को गर्म करता है, पीटता है, लोहे से औजार बनाता है, टूल्स बनाता है. He is called blacksmith. Similarly, जो सोने चांदी काम करता है, he is called goldsmith. सुनार को बोलते हैं गोल्ड स्मिथ, है ना बेटा? ऐसे जो मिट्टी के बर्तन बनाता है, he is called a potter. Good.
Okay, sir.
Okay, बेटा, when we are not able to understand the question, yeah.
सर हमें जिस लॉन्ग आंसर टाइप क्वेश्चन का आंसर नहीं आएगा वो आपसे पूछ सकते हैं.
Yes. Next class we'll discuss.
ओके सर.
यस सर.
हाँ, डेट बता देना, डेट लिख लेना, इसका डेट लिख लेना वहाँ पर.
ओके सर, डेट लिख लेंगे.
डेट बताना पड़ेगा आपको मुझे.
ऑन 29.
हाँ, नहीं 27 आ जाना, तो 27 लिख लो वहाँ पर.
सर आज 27
हाँ,
है.
27 डेट बताना. Question was given on 27th. Okay, that I would like to ask you. Next question. How is this is very important question, and you will draw the diagram also in this question.
Yes,
How
sir.
is the metal rim fitted over the wooden wheel? How is the metal rim fitted over the wooden wheel? Note it down.
Yes sir,
Okay,
note
next
it.
question.
Yes, sir.
Okay, next question is completed. Okay, done.
Sir, today we done all
सर ये
content.
हमने
7 minutes 50 seconds.
Yes, beta. So in between, let me
सर मैं
stop
फर्स्ट
sharing.
क्वेश्चन का मीनिंग नहीं समझ पाया.
Fifth question.
फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन.
Yeah. Anybody can read the question. I will stop sharing, saluting attendance also. Meanwhile, 19, 18 of you are here. Okay, good. Yes, but anybody can read the question. First question. Gaurav?
Yes sir, I read.
Yes. Okay, let me show you again the question.
सर मैं आई
Who said?
सर
Tell me the question.
are all irreversible changes
One
undesirable?
minute. Are
Explain with example.
all irreversible changes undesirable? ये था ना? Correct?
Yes sir. Yes sir. उसके बाद explain an example.
Explain with
With
An example.
example. With example.
an example, na?
सर.
Yes sir.
The chat box, all of you. These are the question.
Sir, I see.
Are all irreversible
Yes, sir.
changes undesirable? अब मीनिंग समझो, देखो, there are changes which are irreversible and generally irreversible changes are undesirable, as you see, है ना? So we have to explain with an example. Change is irreversible, but it is not undesirable, it may be desirable, है ना? Irreversible change can be desirable, we will like that change. So we will give such example. Okay, beta? So now,
Sir, like cooking of food.
yeah.
Okay, sir.
Now let us begin with our today's class. Right? Now, Gaurik, what can you see on the screen?
Sir, Om Shri
Sir, plant.
Om Shri Sai Ram.
Seven.
Good,
Sir,
good.
sir, Om
Very
Shri
good,
Sai Ram,
very
chapter
good.
7,
Getting to
getting
knowing
to
Slide
know
show.
plant.
Slide show. Yeah. Om Shri Sai Ram, chapter number 7, Getting to Know Plants. You can see here this one. Which plant is this?
Sir, money plant.
Money
Sir,
plant.
money
Very
plant.
good.
Sir, money
This one?
plant.
This one, this one.
Sir,
Sir, turnip.
Turnip. Very good. Turnip.
sir, turnip.
Shaljam. And this one?
Sir,
Sir, sunflower.
Sunflower. And this one? This one, this
Sir,
one.
banyan tree.
Sir,
Banyan
banyan
tree.
tree.
Very
Sir,
good.
banyan-
Very good.
banyan
Very
tree.
good. So you can understand what we are going to study in this chapter. Actually, see beta, in any plant, when you uproot any plant, nowadays rainy season, so you will find many undesirable plants are there on the roadside. So you can uproot any one with the root. Root के साथ किसी को उखाड़ लो, ठीक है? And wash the root, पानी में root को धो दो धीरे धीरे करके. And just look at different parts of that plant. है ना बेटा? This plant को देखोगे आप, first of all, we divide the whole plant part into two parts. You can see from here at the bottom, this part which is inside the soil, this is called root system. Okay, beta? What do we call it? Root
Sir,
system.
Root
Root
system.
Sir,
Sir,
and the part of the plant above the ground, है ना? ग्राउंड के जितना ऊपर का पार्ट है, ये पूरा का पूरा कहलाता है शूट सिस्टम. SHOOT. Can you read it?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
So there are two systems in a
double
plant: root system and shoot system. In the root system, we have only roots. सिर्फ root होता है यहाँ बेटा.
Yes, sir.
And in the shoot system, we have stem,
Leaf,
leaf,
seed,
fruits,
flower.
flowers, है ना? And maybe bud. Before becoming flower, it is called bud. BUD. That is when the flower is closed inside the bud. It is called bud. So these are
Sir,
shoot systems.
फ्लावर खिलने से पहले वैसा रहता है.
Yes, beta. BUD.
Sir, bird बोलते हैं.
So plant has two parts. हाँ, you may note down और याद रखना होगा. The underground part of the plant or the part that remains in the soil is called the root system. Okay, and the green part that grows above the ground is called the shoot system. Any doubt?
No, sir, no doubt.
Okay. Let's
No,
go
sir.
ahead.
Good afternoon.
Now this figure which I am showing you, this I have taken from your book. So all of you open your book at I think book मैंने खोला नहीं आपका.
Sir, page number.
एक मिनट. Just a minute.
Sir, 52.
Sir, 52.
Yes. Just a
Sir,
minute.
figure number 7.1 parts of a plant.
Just a minute. Let me show you also, beta. Class 6 science. 2027 book. Yeah, this is your science book. है ना? Chapter number 7. Getting
Yes,
to know plants. है ना बेटा? Okay. Now see your. Go ahead a little bit. Yeah, page number it is.
52.
First page.
Sir,
है.
52.
52, yeah. First page of chapter. This figure बेटा, ये figure दिख रहा है आपको? Parts of plant.
Yes, sir.
So आज आपको करना भी है ये घर में जा करके. घर में तो हो ही, sorry. So what will you do? बहुत दूर नहीं जाना है. घर के बाहर निकलो, अपने आसपास कोई भी एक पौधा मिले, है ना? But remember, वो खुजली वाला पौधा नहीं होना चाहिए. गाजर घास होता है, उसको मत उखाड़ना, तो खुजली होगी हाथों में. तो कोई दूसरा
सर
प्लांट जो
मेरे घर के सर 2 के बगल में सर बहुत बड़ा सर गार्डन है
हाँ
सर,
हाँ
वो जंगली पौधे हैं उसमें।
यस बेटा, आज एक
सर
उखाड़ना,
मेरे घर के बाहर
उखाड़ करके रूट को पानी से साफ करना एंड लुक एट द डिफरेंट पार्ट्स ऑफ प्लांट, है ना? ये करना है सभी लोग, डू इट ऑल ऑफ यू. So this is the figure. So coming
Okay,
back
sir,
to the
I
PPT, yeah, this is the diagram. Level it, level the different parts. Draw करना भी है, level भी करना है ना? As for example, if you are asked me to do, then I'll do like this. This is what? This is root.
The root.
Root.
Sir, roots.
ROOT, है ना? Root. है ना? हाँ. And this is the stem, ना? ये stem जा रहा है ये.
Stem.
Stem हो जाएगा हमारा.
Stem.
Stem, है ना? ये क्या कहलाएगा?
Sir, leaf.
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 ड्रॉ करना है कॉपी में, नोट्स वाली कॉपी में भी ड्रॉ करना है. अभी तो कर ही रहे हो. नोट्स वाली कॉपी में यू हैव टू ड्रॉ दिस डायग्राम एंड लेवल. एंड व्हाट इज दिस कॉल्ड? दिस इज योर फ्रूट,
Sir,
है ना?
sir, fruit.
ये मस्टर्ड प्लांट है बेटा, सरसों का पौधा है ये, मस्टर्ड का प्लांट है ये, है ना?
Sir,
Fruit.
sir, we eat seed and leaf part of
हाँ, yes
mustard.
बेटा. And this is the flower.
Yes.
Sir, this is flower.
Flower.
Sir, this is
Flower. And somewhere this may be bird, है ना? यहाँ पे bird हो सकता है,
bird भी है.
ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
Which will grow into flower.
Yes, sir.
Mostly these parts are there, and we can see the size of the plant, है ना बेटा? Sometimes you see the plant very smaller in size. Some plants are equal to your height almost, and some plants are much taller than you. जैसे गौरव के घर के पास में एक जामुन का पेड़ है, कितना गुना बड़ा होगा गौरव से, सोच सकते हो. छत के ऊपर से दिखता है वो, है ना? तो बट सम प्लांट्स, हाँ, सो
सर मेरे घर के पास इमली का पेड़ लगा है.
हाँ बेटा, देयर आर टू मेन ग्रुप्स ऑफ प्लांट्स. सम प्लांट्स
नीम का पेड़ लगा है.
हाँ बेटा, इट इज कॉल्ड फ्लावरिंग प्लांट्स. जिन पौधों में फूल लगते हैं उनको फ्लावरिंग प्लांट्स बोलते हैं. देयर आर सम प्लांट्स व्हिच डू नॉट बियर फ्लावर्स, उनमें फूल कभी नहीं लगते, वो हाई हिमालय वगैरह में उगते हैं. दे आर कॉल्ड नॉन फ्लावरिंग प्लांट्स. ferns, mosses, they are called non flowering plants. And flowering plants, rose, sunflower, mango, neem, there are so many you can write down. ठीक है बेटा? Now, based on the size of the plant and for how many years they are living and how the branching takes place in them, there are plants are classified in different parts, different types. Some plants are called herbs, some are called shrubs, some are called trees, some are called climbers, and some are called creepers. We will learn about all these in the next class. Okay, beta? In the next class, we learn about all these.
सर एक बार राजस्थान में चिपको मूवमेंट शुरू हुआ था.
Yes, beta.
सर पेड़ को
Yes, sir.
कटने से बचाने के लिए चिपको मूवमेंट शुरू हुआ था.
Yes, beta. Let me stop presenting now. है ना? So we learn in detail about. One more thing I should give you. Let me present again. So they are having the time, beta. They can wait. Let me again present you. See your book. See your book, beta. See your book once again.
Sir, which
I'm telling you this activity, table number 7.1, page number 53.
Yes,
बेटा
sir. C.
हाँ, so you have to do this.
Yes, sir.
टोमेटो हाइट चेक करनी है, शॉर्टर देन यू और है ना, मस्ट शॉर्टर देन यू, आपके हाइट से कंपेयर करना है उसको। फिर स्टेम को देखना है, स्टेम को देख कर लिखना है, ग्रीन, टेंडर, थिक, हार्ड। फिर वेयर डज द ब्रांचेज अपीयर, उसमें ब्रांच कहाँ शुरू हुआ, बेस के पास से ही या बहुत ऊपर जाकर हुआ, एट द बेस, हायर अपॉन द स्टेम, एंड वी विल कैटेगराइज देन। ओके, सो यू ट्राई टू डू और यू विल डू इट
Sir,
लेटर ऑन
higher upper stem.
व्हेन आई
Yes, sir. I do it.
है ना। हाँ,
Sir,
so you will
I
do
did
it.
it.
हाँ, you will do it. Okay बेटा, stop sharing.
Sir, I also do.
Yeah. So that's all for today's. Okay. Did you enjoy the class?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Very much.
Yes, sir.
So let us conclude the class by chanting Shanti Path.
Oh.
Shanti. Shanti. Sai Ram beta. Sai Ram.
Sairam sir, thank you sir.
Do the activity
Bye,
beta.
sir.
Do the activity. Yeah beta.